Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance light on your 2018 Toyota Highlander. This is the XLE model. Okay, so once you're in the car, you're not gonna press on the brakes. You just gotta press the engine start and stop twice, the accessories. 1, 2. So accessories comes on. Remember, you're not starting the car, and then the odometer trip button right there, you're gonna press it until you get to trip A. Then you're gonna turn this, you're gonna press it back to turn it off, and then you're gonna hold this down, and it's gonna reset. Okay, so once you're gonna press both the trip button and start and stop at the same time, and then it's gonna blink. You're gonna see some dots. It's gonna blink, and it's gonna say resetting the light. So you gotta hold both at the same time. So when you get in the car, you don't turn it on, you don't start the car, you don't step on the brakes pedal. You just press your engine start and stop twice, like this. 1, 2. Once it comes on, you press this to trip A, and then once you get that, then you're gonna turn it off and then press both at the same time. I'm gonna turn it off, then I'm gonna press both at the same time, like this, and it's gonna say welcome back. I don't know if it's gonna reset again. Okay, as you can see, I press it back. So you press it one more time. As you can see there, it reset it. So once you turn it off, and then you gotta press it back 2 times, hold it down again for it to reset, because it's gonna come back on accessories. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment down below, or any suggestion, question. Share the videos, and thanks for watching.